Hey, this is Morgan Titus, Sales Manager for America's Home Place here in Greenville, South Carolina. We're here in the Berglund Modern Farmhouse, one of the floor plans that we have on display as a model here at our showroom. We often get a question from customers. They want to know, are the houses we build energy efficient? And the answer is, oh, most definitely. Of course our houses are energy efficient. America's Home Place, we worked very hard to make sure the houses are put together with the best quality that we can get. Our houses here have 50-year architect shingles included in the base price, and we offer windows that are low-E coated, they're charged with argon gas, they have virgin vinyl, they have a 50-year warranty on them. Everything from the windows, the shingles, the insulation, even the appliances are efficient and set up well for the house. Your HVAC system is also efficient. We do that just as an effort to try to get you a system that will help keep your bills as low as possible when you're moving into your new house. That's one of our things we try to do. We just want to make good houses all the time. So please come out and visit our model homes. Come tour it and take a look at some of the systems that we have on display for you to see our level of efficiency that comes included in the base price. We can talk about other options as well when you're out here. In the meantime, go jump online, take a look at our website at americashomeplace.com. We're excited to meet with you and help you along your journey, and we're looking forward to getting with you soon.